When we went through our research experience, we found out that noise was a challenge for all consumers, regardless of what they were doing. There was always that push on, I'd like things to be quieter. And the great thing about electric is it delivers that. Whether you're a hunter trying to get closer to your stand, a farmer working in close proximity to livestock, or just holding a conversation while trail riding, less engine noise and vibration is a good thing. I'm talking to you right now with this vehicle running at 30 miles an hour, and as you can hear, the engine noise is minimal. Research has really told us on all kinds of vehicles that less maintenance and more uptime is a key thing that consumers are looking for. That's the great thing about the all-new electric Ranger. When you think about the new componentry in there, you don't have air filters, you don't have oil, you don't have oil changes. Combine those savings with the fact that it costs less per mile to fill up with electricity than gas, and the all-new electric Ranger gives you the lowest cost of ownership ever found on a utility side-by-side. To me, the all-new electric Ranger is going to surprise people in the fact that it's still a fantastic Ranger. It's still core to the hardest working and smoothest riding proposition. It gives them everything that they're used to, but then it gives them so much more because it's electric.